Hi my dear students, I am Ronja ma'am and welcome to my channel. This is the third video of the Get Inspired series, and if you have missed the other two videos, do watch them. I'll put the links in the description box. You know, one of the greatest composers and pianists, Beethoven, had said, music can change the world. Yes, it can surely do, and it can change your world too, your life, your emotions and your mood. So I have picked up 5 very inspiring songs just for you, and yes, there is of course another one, a bonus song at the end of the video. This is a mixed bag. So I have both English and Hindi songs, but each and every song will surely lift your spirits. The first song that I highly recommend, and it's my personal favorite. This is a song that can never go wrong. I can give you my guarantee. If you're feeling very low, you think, no, I cannot do it, I don't have the mental strength, just listen to the song and it will work wonders. It is Hero by Mariah Carey. And beautifully it tells you that the hero lies in you. But many a times when we are very demotivated, very sad, we need someone to tell us that. We forget it. And this song does exactly that. The next song that I recommend is a Hindi song, and it is for those who have big dreams, who want to achieve goals in life. कुछ पाने की हो आस आस, कुछ अरमा हो जो खास खास आशाएं. The name of the song is Ashaएं. It's sung by KK and it's from the movie Iqbal. You know, this song is a very happy and a very positive song. It will inspire you to chase your dreams. And at the end of the song, you will be humming, अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी, नहीं कुछ भी. The next song that I recommend is an English song, and it is a very peppy number, very fast, catchy tune. I'm sure students will love it. It's by The Score and the name of the song is Unstoppable. Of course, it should be very, very popular amongst the students. Keeping us down is impossible. We are unstoppable. Yes, that's what you all are, isn't it? But you know what happens? Sometimes we feel that we are very lonely in our journey. Maybe you stood up for something and your friends didn't support you, but you feel that no, what I think is right, and you feel lonely. Or maybe you feel you're very different from your friends. If you are feeling very lonely and very sad because of this loneliness, then do listen to the song Akla Chalo Re, Walk Alone, from the movie Kahani. This is a Rabindra Sangeet written by one of the greatest poets ever, Rabindranath Tagore. But this song is not totally in Bengali. Part of the song is in Hindi, so you will be able to understand. And the chorus is in English, and it comes again and again, and it gives you the message of the song. This song is sung by none other than Amitabh Bachchan. Do listen to the song. This song celebrates the strength in you. The fifth song that I've picked up for you is an old classic. It's sung by none other than a legend, Kishore Kumar. You must hear him sing, and this is, as I said, an old classic, a true gem. रुक जाना नहीं तू कभी हार के, कांटों पे चल के मिलेंगे साए बहार के. I'm sure it will be true for you as well. Maybe the road is tough, but you will surely reach your goal and have a beautiful and bright future. Do listen to these 5 songs, and yes, the bonus song that I told. This is a song that most of you must have heard. I think all of you have heard, but you can hear it again. This is from the movie Gully Boy, Apna Time Aayega, sung by Ranveer Singh. Very catchy tune, excellent lyrics. Listen to the song and get inspired. Well, do tell me which song you like the most out of the 5 that I suggested. Write in the comment section. Or if there is a song that inspires you a lot and I have not mentioned it, you can write in the comment section as well. Do listen to these 5 songs. Stay happy, stay positive, stay inspired.